Hello and welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to make very juicy and tasty fried chicken burger. Let's start with marinating the chicken. I have taken boneless chicken 300 grams, adding salt as per taste, red chili powder half tablespoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Mix it well and leave it aside for 2 hours. Always take chicken breast instead of thighs for making chicken burger. Chicken has been marinated for good 2 hours. Now we'll move to the process of coating the marinated chicken. For that we have taken all-purpose flour 1 cup, salt as per taste, red chili powder half tablespoon and mix it all well. Now coat the marinated chicken like this. Coat it very well so that it covers all the chicken parts. Keep all the coated chicken on a plate and leave it for 10 minutes. After these coatings have been done, now we'll move to the process of making the sauce for burger. That's very much important because it enhances the taste a lot. I have taken 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/4 tablespoon of red chili powder, hot sauce half tablespoon. We'll mix it all well and then the sauce is ready. We'll heat the oil. Make sure the flame is high so that the oil is heated very well, and we'll add the chicken pieces one by one. Flip the chicken to the other side as well so that it cooks from both the sides. Keep frying it until the chicken is cooked very well and it turns golden brown. Once the chicken is fried, take it out in a kitchen towel so that it removes all the extra oil. Now we'll heat the pan to toast our bread. We'll toast the bread for approximately 1 minute, not more than that. Making chicken burger at home is a treat meal, and definitely making it at home is a way better option than having it outside. Now let's make the burger. Apply the sauce like this. Add fried chicken on the top. For the toppings, I have used tomato slice and lettuce over here. You can use your favorite veggies for toppings that you like. Our fried chicken burger is ready in no time. To make it more healthy, you can also use low-fat mayonnaise, whole wheat one. I am going to taste the yummy chicken burger now. It's yummy. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Now you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Friends, welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to make very special recipe of aloo tikki burger. That's everyone's favorite. And I will show you today how to make this recipe in a very easy way. So let's get started. I have taken 2 boiled potatoes and I have mashed it. Adding very finely chopped vegetables like carrot, chili, coriander, French bean. Adding 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Adding salt as per taste. Black pepper half tablespoon, chaat masala 1 tablespoon. Mix it all well. Our mixture is ready. Now we can start the process of making tikkis. Take a portion of potato mixture Make it flatter. Add it on the top of breadcrumbs. Nicely roll it. We have made the batter ready using all-purpose flour and water. I have used 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of water. Now we'll add the second layer of all-purpose flour. Finally, adding some more breadcrumbs on the top. Similarly, we'll make more tikkis. Take a pan, adding butter to it. Now we'll add tikkis. Once the tikki turns golden brown from both the sides, it's ready. We can take this out. Same pan we'll be using for the bun. Preheating the bun is optional. Adding lettuce on the top. Add tikki after that. Adding 1 slice of cheese. Adding some tomato ketchup to it. If you like mayonnaise, you can add that as well. It tastes really good. Our aloo tikki burger is ready. I hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.